Oh yeah.
All right.
Let's see what they look like.
Number 24. Who be 24?
Who beat 24?
Mike Owen.
Number 52.
Briley.
Tony? 14.
Me.
14.
Yep.
Number 4.
Huh?
4.
That's me.
11.
I think that's Sean, right?
It's about to go down.
Like this.
0.
Double zero.
Oh, you even got it in a small. Oh, guys.
Number 2.
2.
Yes.
Oh, we reversing.
Hold on. Who is this? Big Joe.
50.
Seriously?
That's an extra.
Oh my gosh.
That's
what I
that's
said.
Don when he starts playing.
Goodness, the baby's all
12.
grown up.
That's you, isn't it?
Yeah. 22.
Extra.
You look so different.
55.
He's like 14 years old.
Of course it's gold.
Oh, we were at the old gym, Virginia Beach gym.
Number 5.
Matt Barber. Is that it? All right.
Send me that. I want to say something to that. Okay. Right? We're talking about that.
It's a medium, not a small. Okay.
I got you.
Machine wash.
Ooh, pretty.
Cold. Dark clothes separately. Do not bleach.
Let me see the other side. Show me the gold.
Anthony's idea. We are thinking Anthony. It's a great idea.
Ooh, that gold looks nice.
Thank you, Anthony.
Yellow or gold, we'll call it gold.
It's gold. It's
Gold
gold.
will be the home team. All right?
Ooh, I like the striping on the gold.
Can I get away with this?
I didn't get popped.
Maybe.
More.
What? The wristband?
Yeah.
Anthony.